A checklist when somebody dies can consist of a couple of things. First and foremost is notifying the people that need to be notified. Extended family, friends, putting together the obituary. That's not an easy thing to do. Putting together an obituary can be a very painful thing. Gathering information about the deceased. Be prepared for a newspaper to charge for that, too. A lot of people are shocked when they find out the newspapers charge for obituaries. Most newspapers are going to charge for an obituary. Be prepared for that, too. You need to also figure out who's going to pay for the funeral. Funeral homes don't work for free. They're going to want somebody that's liable, financially liable for the cost of that funeral. They may want money up front. They may want to take a credit card. They may take an assignment of a life insurance, but somebody somewhere is going to have to write a check or write an agreement with the funeral home to pay for that funeral before a funeral home is going to touch this thing. After the funeral, checklists continue. Personal property. In our experience, most fights break out over personal property, not over the big items. Not over who gets the house or who gets the mutual funds, but who gets dad's shotgun, who gets mom's wedding ring. So do not go distributing personal property until the will is read or until the trust is read or until a search has been done to see if there was any disposition of the deceased left regarding those assets. And then only the executor, only the trustee should do that. And the executor is not the executor until the court appoints the executor after a court hearing. The trustee may be the trustee from the get-go, but even then the trust needs to be read, the will needs to be read by a competent attorney to make sure that things are done carefully and correctly from the very beginning.